When dealing with all types of anxieties, and in particular with the fear of failure, our minds can be very, very critical and tell us that we're not good enough, that we are a failure. Today, I want to share one tip based on the work of Christine Neff, a leader and researcher on compassion-focused therapy. Christine Neff talks about how she uses self-compassion mantras. A self-compassion mantra has three parts. The first part is the acknowledgement of your suffering. The second part is the acknowledgement that suffering is unavoidable for all of us. And the third part includes a self-compassion statement for yourself. So an example of a self-compassion mantra will be, I am feeling down about myself again. It's universal that everyone feels down about themselves at some point. And the third part, a self-compassion statement, will be, and in this moment, I want to do the best I can to be gentle with myself. So, when your mind starts criticizing and judging you, instead of getting hooked on those thoughts, I invite you to take a deep breath and without any agendas, without hoping to feel differently, see if you can take a moment to pause and respond to that self-criticism using a self-compassion mantra.